feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life too fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
This is day 2 of the Florida vlog. My aunt and my cousin are now here, and we're going to the pool. I'm not gonna get in because I don't feel like it, but I look a mess, but it's okay. My tripod is in the room, so I hope y'all can hear me because it's loud. It's like really loud, so I hope y'all can hear me. But I'm walking around in my PJs, my house shoes, and all that, and everybody got like swimsuits and all that other stuff on. So yeah, if I do end up going to the pool, I just like that. But yeah, I just wanted to start the video off the right way. I want to see the pool. Hey y'all, so I'm at the pool. My poop dance trying to capture my juice. This is my juice. I saw 4 lizards.
You call him Pup, right?
What? You duh.
Fight?
What's up? Yeah! Okay, I'm trying to make sure the angle right. Okay.
Alright, my shorts are on correctly.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Alright, y'all.
Ray gotta carry me coming out though. Ray gotta
Oh, there's them all. Turd.
Hey vlog.
Oh, where's? I can't see this
I
thing.
recovered from my falling last night. Very tragic.
Oh yeah, I remember that, Alyssa. No one tripped her. Alyssa, we were running. We were running, and Alyssa fell so hard, but she's good now.
Carly's the only one that stayed.
I stayed and laughed, but then I helped her while laughing. Who tripped her? Nobody. We were all running.
It was Bray and Jay.
When you go back and look at the video, you can see half of her body was like on the ground.
I was just against.
It's Saturday, that's why. Here's my sugar plum. Okay, y'all. We in the mall now.
Mari and Tyron already left.
Oh, they already left?
They went in here. They had their own plans.
Okay. You have any agendas?
For the store?
Yeah.
I want to go to Bath and Body Works just to smell their scents.
I don't really know what I want. I kind of really don't need it. I kind of don't need anything, so probably the only thing on my agenda is probably just food.
I said I wanted to go to the American Ball store. Me too.
Hey y'all, we're going to the food court. Their food court is called the Dining Pavilion. It's my mom. Oh, she looks so pretty. I'm taking that purse. Just watch. I'm good.
What's up, brother? I want to be in the vlog. Hey, vlog. I got a pretzel, so now I'm happy. Let's go. And the boys all disappeared.
No, for real. They literally been
looking
running around
for
all
the
day.
HOs.
HOs. We finally leaving the mall. We've been here 3 hours.
4 hours.
I've never been at the mall this long.
Never.
Ever.
Not even at home.
I'm probably exaggerating.
Oh, no, we
maybe
actually been here
not.
5 hours. Yeah, it's been a good 3 hours.
No, it's been like
5.
it's been like
We got
3.
here at like 4 or 5.
No, we didn't.
It's 9 o'clock.
No, we didn't. Anyway, it's like, what time is it? Oh wait, where's my phone?
9:13. 9:14.
It's 9:14.
He's slow, y'all. Where's my phone?
I still on my phone. Right there. Okay, no, for real. Yeah, my cousins have been running around this mall like a bunch of hooligans. The boys, not us.
Not us.
Because we're civilized. We're civilized. Look at our legs.
To Miss Elsa.
No, I can see, girl.
You can
Yes, honey, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Tiana just like I'm just here.
They can't sing. They can't sing for that.
That's funny. Hey y'all, we at Fun Spot. We got like roller coasters and stuff.
I just jumped over there.
What?
I just jumped over there. She didn't even know. What's up, guys? She left me with the check. Alright, so right now we're at this like place.
We're at Fun Spot America right there.
Yeah, Fun Spot. In St. Louis, it's like Six Flags. So we heard.
Six Flags, but better.
Right. What am I talking? Y'all better text me on every social media, bro. I'm there for real. All the girls, bro, hit me up. All of y'all. Now, I ain't even playing. All y'all hit me up. This is how I'm living up. Cause like, I'll text.
Okay, y'all, we getting on the white lightning. This is me before the ride.
This is me before the ride, guys.
Okay, wait. Okay, guys, we got on the white lightning, and that was fun. Mimi was my partner, and she screamed the whole time. These two right here, they screamed the entire time.
No, we didn't.
Y'all screamed. They screamed. They did. They did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Don't lie for the camera.
On God, I did not scream.
Don't lie for the
On God, I
camera.
didn't scream. I swear. Maja, did I scream?
No. No, for real. How was it? Everybody, what you get?
Give me the ass.
What you get?
I got ice cream.
That looked good. Big backs. Okay, guys. Yeah, I don't know what part I left off at. I think it was yesterday. So yesterday we did the Fun Spot and we like roller coasters and stuff. So I didn't get too much of that because we were riding roller coasters. And then we went back home. And then something happened with the coach and blah blah blah. But today we're at this beach called Clearwater, and the ride was literally 2 hours long. 2 hours long just to get here, just to get to a beach. And I'm like, I'm tired. My legs hurt, my back hurt, my feet hurt. Just kind of over it, but it's okay because we made it. So we're just waiting on everybody now to get their things and such. And yeah.
Look at these muscles. Hold on, show me the muscles.
Okay, guys.
You saw that?
No. We're at the beach now. It's cute.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's a lot of people here.
Are we vlogging?
Where Brad?
I don't know.
Okay, everybody say cheese.
actually on the beach now. I'm finna take my shoes off because this is doing too much. I have to take my shoes off. The beach is cute though. Jesus. Oh, he's burying his son. How cute. Oh, that was a guy. Oops. Oh, Lord.
I'm sorry, bro.
You're fine. You're fine. No, you're fine. You too. Thank you. Boy, man, walk right into me. Open your eyeballs, bro. Alright, we're on the beach now. Like, actually, on the beach. My feet are like kind of red, but not for real. I think I'm gonna take some pictures and then get in the water.
Dad, you wanna get in?
There's my dad. Dad, look.
What's up with it?
How do you feel about being here?
I feel good. It feels good out here.
The drive is treacherous though. Here goes the rest of the gang.
Wait a minute.
There's my mom, y'all. Here's my cousin.
Hey, gang. Look, listen.
Give me a second. Listen.
What we listening to?
Listen, let me get close. This it's exclusive.
Let's get a sample. Let's get a sample.
Sample? We giving samples out here. We giving samples out
The duo is back. Right, y'all?
We gave a sample.
I'm just know.
Okay.
I can smell it. Wait.
Hold on.
Oh, that does smell really, really good. That smells good.
Hey, that's the panty dropper. That's the
Panty dropper.
That's the what?
Panty dropper. Panty dropper. What do you mean?
Cause you want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
That boy giving out free samples.
What's the word, vlog? We in Atlanta right now, you know what I'm saying? We finna vibe on the beaches.
Hold on.
I'm finna get some. Rest of these niggas be fake. Hold on.
Hold on.
This nigga don't be fake. This is my main spinner right here. The bad bitch.
Come on.
I'm saying you got my cousin out here, man.
With it. We got the other one.
Panty droppers.
Panty dropper. Panty dropper right there.
They got it on my lip. Mar literally. I'm exclusive with it.
Nah, the yellow one's better. I like the yellow.
She just thought it was funny. Oh my god, y'all. The seagulls literally tried to attack me from my Lunchable, and I just had to throw it. They took my cousin's cheese. Them seagulls is ruthless. Them seagulls do not care. He threw a rock at me! He tried to throw it at the boy. He threw a rock at me! I feel targeted. Is it because I'm light skinned? Yeah.
That's PG a lot of things. Bye, y'all.
Which way we going? Period. That was fun.
That was fun. They said, come on, y'all.
They said nice. I told you. Okay.
You recording?
Almost.
Sorry.
She hates the freaking fan, y'all.
I do.
But we're leaving now. We had so much fun today. I took lots of cute pictures that I'm gonna post soon. My TT.
down on the sand. Jack.
Everybody's rinsing their feet off right now. I think we're about to go to the car to put the stuff down. I don't know if we're doing something after or not. So we'll see. Here go them boys again. Just steady walking off. My cousin done left his socks. Being ghetto. y'all go? Where'd y'all go?
Burgers. Right now, let's go play some on the burgers.
Did y'all win?
Nope. They lost.
Dang.
Hey, me and Jalen won versus Kamari, Bray, and
Oh, I thought it was real.
Larry the Gator.
Oh, that's so cute.
Got a speaker?
From where?
Don't ask how I got it.
I got
then, and then I got this too. The next I got it.
How we get it?
We don't steal, okay, guys. I'm out of town. Why would I steal out of town?
finger discount.
Hey, she not lying.
Hey guys, this day was a success hours later.
It ain't really a discount, like 5 finger free, goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
I'm still kind of
ain't no
mad about
discount.
how much time we wasted, but it's okay because we still have fun.
Yeah. They all A. And get us
They're all big bats.
She got it on camera. I said big back actually.
Ain't no mountain high enough. All right, y'all. We at the hotel. Finally, after a long ride, we end up getting food. We end up getting Taco Bell, and I just ate it in the car. There's Jalen.
Jalen, help me, Jalen. Jalen, help me, bro. Jalen.
Get it, Jalen. Get it. No, brother. What's up, brother? Okay, so, nigga.
Hey guys. Special teas, special players. Tuesday. What's up, brother?
All right, y'all. It is now our last day in Orlando. We're all packing to leave. I think we're going straight to the airport after. I don't know if we're getting food or not, but I figured I'd end the video right here in Florida because I don't want to go back. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah. This trip was really fun. I had a whole lot of fun, and I cannot wait to edit these videos and post them. But yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one.